Alright guys, I'm on marcadia today. Oh, sorry for some glitches again. Right, first one, I want to tell you something. If this isn't true, tell me. I believe, oh wait a second, I believe when they're making this level, they build this laser defense facility up to you right here. It's on up you. If you don't, tell me. But I found a way. Oh wait, I found a weird glitch. I'll break this one to show you. What you do is go to the end of laser defense facility for my weird glitch. Oh, come on. Crap. Alright, go to the end. Wait a second. What you do is go in this place and turret yourself through the wall. Oh crap. What the heck? Crap, I tried on this. Oh, 1 minute. I didn't do it. Right, so turret. What the heck? Yeah, back in this part. Sorry. I hate turreting. It's hard. What the heck? Go. Yeah. What you do is glide down on your ship. It's under you. That's pretty weird. I really don't know what it's doing there, but it's cool. Haven't found a better word. And you're standing on never see window, and here is the broken thing. You can break the other one, and down here is Wender. There's dropship. There's nanotech. Yeah, you can land on a Wender. When you fall, look what happened. Please. See, continue pointing me here, and I will be also falling. But you can double jump. Oh crap. And land on your ship, but you also need to reload your game to get out. Oh man. Alright, hold on a second. Alright guys, now I'm in the place where it's titanium bolt. What you do in this glitch is high jump on the top of these screens. Now strike, 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 and ready your turret. Oh crap. Wait a second. Never hyper strike when you have box breaker. Crap. Just get on. Strike, strike, strike. Look there, and now charge boot, shoot, and wrench, and you're on this place. Yay, that's awesome glitch. Yeah, when you reach that place, you'll die because fall through level. Yeah, it's awesome to be here. I think you can go through this wall. No. Yeah, when you fall, you'll be in this small place. Under, there's normal way to the level, but just die. And hold on a second. Alright guys, now I'm on the dropship, and this is a glitch. Oh crap, I haven't got my rhinoceros. Yeah, it is a glitch. You know, dropship is here. Now what you do is charge boot there, and dropship is now here. Sometimes when you like in here, you'll be inside this whole thing. Oh yeah. And now for the last glitch. Alright guys, now I'm going for the last glitch on marcadia that I found. And in this glitch I don't use code breaker or action replay. Alright, see this place? Oh, jump on this. Now high jump. When you touch this thing, when you touch this whole thing, you need to strike in. Look what happened. High jump, get in, strike. You'll be inside. And this isn't the walkthrough wall mod. Oh, I get out of the level. Yeah. Under Marcadia. Yeah, and now I died. Alright guys. Oh, so this was glitches. This were glitches on Marcadia. So see ya and Alright, see ya.